you guys, I've been waiting on my package to come in from Dazzled, and it came in today. I've been like a kid waiting for Christmas morning, waiting for this package because I want to do a fall tablescape with an item that should be in this package, and I've been holding off on that fall tablescape just to get this package. So if you're interested in seeing the items that I have in my package, just keep watching. I'm just so excited. So let me sort these out so we can go over them. Okay, you guys, so I have everything sorted out here. I'm so excited. I'm like so excited. So anyway, what I've been waiting on are these leaf napkin rings. They are so cute, so glam. Let me see if I can focus just a little bit more. Yeah, there. Yeah, I've been waiting on these to come in, and I have my table already set. I'm just gonna go over there and place these napkin rings on my napkins and show you the tablescape. So loving these leaf napkin rings. So the other items that I have here are these napkin rings. These are stretchable. That's why I like these. Look, they stretch. And they're so glam, and they're super cute. And you guys know my daughter has an apartment, and gold is her favorite color. So if you see anything gold on this table, I'm thinking all about my daughter. And also my sister-in-law is getting her kitchen redone, and I'm going to go over and glamorize her table for her once her kitchen is done, and she has gold and white in her kitchen. So yeah, this is gold, and they're so cute. That's either going to be for my sister-in-law or my daughter. And same here. Look at this, you guys. This particular napkin ring, I think the price is maybe $2 and something for this napkin ring, but that's a very good price because these are so elegant and so nice. I'm going to place the link down below for anyone who wants to order anything. Just click on that link and order whatever you like. So here's a silver one, just like the gold tone. And of course, you know, the silver is for me. And I also ordered these packages because I want to do a DIY. I actually know exactly what I'm going to do because I have an item that I'm going to make a set just like that item that I purchased, and I cannot wait to do the DIY. I'm going to open up this package. Okay, so I have the packages open. So I have a pack number 3 and a pack number 5. So it has a variety of brooches in here, and I'm going to do some DIYs with these. I think I may have already said that, but these are so cute. They have bigger brooches, smaller brooches, and the smallest one is this particular one right here. And then I have some more on this side over here. Now the gold ones also has a variety of different assortments in here, which are totally different than the actual silver ones. And I think these are awesome. This is pack number 1, and this is pack number 9. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys to the tablescape. And again, I have the link below to Totally Dazzled if you're interested in purchasing anything. And let's go on to the tablescape. Okay, so now I have my napkin ring on my napkin, and I can go ahead and show you guys the tablescape that's been waiting for these napkin rings. Okay, so now you probably figured out by now why I've been so anxiously waiting for those leaf napkin rings, because I knew that I had the silver leaf placemats here. These silver leaf placemats, quite a bit of people had these. I've seen on YouTube, but these came from Home Goods. It was 4 in a pack for $7.99. I knew that I had these glass see-through plates for which the leaf would actually show through, and I know that it would look so nice next to this particular napkin ring. So that's why I was so anxiously waiting. So this particular plate here I've had since last year, and I purchased it from Z Gallery. Then I have my napkins here that I showed you guys in my previous Tablescape. They also came from Z Gallery. And of course the napkin ring from Totally Dazzled. And I've used these actual utensils in my last maybe 3 or 4 tablescapes because I love these utensils, and they've pretty much been going with all my tables. And this particular votive here came from Z Gallery. I purchased them maybe a few months ago, and I've never used them. I think they were like $7 for each one, and I got them like 20% off. And I just have some candles in there from Dollar Tree, and I showed you guys these glasses in my previous haul. They also came from Z Gallery. I got them for 70% off. And the actual table runner came from Ross. I think it was either $7.99 or something like that. And the actual candle holders here, I purchased them, I think, last year or so from Z Gallery. I think they were like $40 for each one. The candles also came from Z Gallery, and actually these the mirror candle holders here actually came from Home Goods. I think they were either $19.99 or $24.99 a piece or whatnot. And the actual vase that you see in the middle also came from Z Gallery. And of course, my branches also came from Z Gallery. I'm loving on these branches, you guys, because they're plastic. You can stretch these out to your liking. I actually used these on the table, like laying flat on the table in a previous tablescape. So this is my, I'm not sure if it's my 4th fall tablescape or what. But anyway, this is my tablescape. I have one more tablescape for the fall that I may try to squeeze in. But this is the table, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.